Hey everybody, Chris here with another episode of Crosscut Crafters. Today we're doing something interesting. I'm adding a new topic to the channel, which is rug tufting. In order to do this, I need to make a wooden frame to use as a loom. So, we are taking a field trip to Lowe's Hardware. I need to get the wood because I'm in a stolen/borrowed car. I'm not sure how it counts when you have the key but don't have permission. I can't fit the wood that I need in here, so I'm gonna go buy the piece of wood, cut it in the parking lot, and then go home to assemble. So let's get to it. I only needed to pick up one board because I did have some left over from making the 5-foot frame featured in another video. So to get started, I cut off my corner pieces that are bracing for the main frame. I mark, per my cut sheet, some of the lengths that I need, get those placed in the car. And as soon as the board is at a manageable size, I end my parking lot construction project. I get all of my boards cut to the appropriate length, and then I get ready for assembly. This frame has a 24-inch by 24-inch working width. Just like with the larger frame, this frame is held together with Titebond 2 wood glue and 18-gauge brad nails. I may have went a little overboard with the amount of brad nails I used. I hope you've enjoyed this short format video, making a 24-inch by 24-inch tufting frame. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to see my upcoming projects utilizing it. We'll see you then.